Hello, my name is Jessica Alvarez, and this is the Endocrine System Lab. There's nothing on the back. These are my questions. So, the first question is, describe the location, structure, and function of the pituitary gland. The location is here, and it's below the hypothalamus. It is pea-sized, it's very small, and it is one of the main glands called the master gland of the pituitary gland. And the functions are, it's responsible for producing hormones that help with metabolism, regulate metabolism, sexual reproduction, sexual hormones, blood pressure regulating, stress responses, and that's it for that one. The thyroid gland, which is located here, is butterfly shaped, and it is located below the larynx. The thyroid gland is responsible for metabolism, and it also regulates hormones that have to do with stress. So stress responses and blood pressure. And the adrenal gland, which is located, it's located superior to the kidney, so it's above the kidney, is responsible for stress hormones, reproductive hormones, regulating blood pressure, and reproductive hormones. The endocrine portion of the pancreas, which is here, it lies behind the stomach. And so we have the head, the body, and the tail. And the islets, it's called the islets of Langerhans. And this is responsible for regulating like the metabolism and stuff like that. So explain the relationship between the hypothalamus, the hypophysis, and other glands. So the relationship between the hypothalamus and the hypophysis, which is the hypothalamus, which is here, and the hypophysis, which is the pituitary gland. So the relationship is that they all kind of work together. So the hypothalamus sends signals to the pituitary gland, letting it know to release those hormones. So if something's wrong or off, then there's something wrong with one of those hormones. So it works. They work together. Mainly the hypothalamus and the pituitary. The adrenal gland also gets signals from the pituitary, which is the master gland, letting it know when to send hormones out, for hormones out to the body. So how is this content important to differentiate primary, secondary, and tertiary endocrine disorders? So this is really important to differentiate primary, secondary, and tertiary endocrine disorders because it's important to know which of these hormones and which of these parts is having problems. So This will tell you if it's primary, secondary, or tertiary, which body part is basically having problems with it, and that's why it's important. And thank you so much for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.